Alright, so quick video for today. I'm going to be replacing the Supercharger oil with the Supercharger on the car. Now, a lot of people usually take the Supercharger off whenever they're doing the PCV or whatever, and then replace the fluid then. But I'm going to do it with it on the car because I haven't seen any videos on YouTube on how to do it. Maybe one or two, but it doesn't seem like there's many out there. And I'm going to be replacing it with AC Delco Supercharger oil. This is OE equivalent. The Supercharger oil from Audi is like 20 bucks for 150 milliliters. I think these were like $4. And now, because I do have some coolant lines out of the way, it's easier to get to. So it might be hard to get to if you have the lines in place, but you're going to need a 3/16 Allen. And I've already loosened it, but you just basically use this to loosen it up. I had to take this hose off because it was in the way, but it's not a big issue now. I heard of something. Alright, there's a little bit of air being released, but the drain plug is removed, and I'm going to be using this syringe here. I bought a handful of these off of Amazon, and I've been using them for a whole bunch of shit, like removing brake fluid out of the reservoir whenever we're doing a brake job. And now I'm going to be using it for this. See how much oil I get out. So I'm just going to put the tube in here and try to angle it down. Alright, so I got the tube in as best as I can in there, and let's see what I can get out. Now, if you've never worked on cars before and this is your first time working on a car, this Supercharger oil stinks horribly. And if you've worked on cars and you've smelled diff oil, it's the same shit. Oh, here we go. See how much I can extract. Honestly, this does not look that bad. So whatever you extract is the same amount you want to put back in. So right now I have about 100 milliliters. And that's one of the cool things about this little syringe here. This little twist, the lock thing. So 100. Pour it into a cup. This oil doesn't look that bad. I would have thought it'd be darker. The car does have over 160,000 miles on it. So, see how much more I can get out. Oh, I'm starting to get air bubbles. Now, getting that tube in is a little annoying because there is like a gear right behind that drain plug or that drain port. So you're gonna have to like really push it in there to get it to go down. And I've got about 40 milliliters out. So 140 milliliters is what I've gotten out, and that's exactly how much I'm going to try to put in. Now, each one of these is 118 milliliters, so you'll have to buy two. Alright, well, I take back what I said. Here's the new oil. And here's the old oil. So, it's a lot fucking clearer. And even the new one still stinks. So So I got 100 here. I'll go and add it, and I'll add another 40. And there's probably still residual oil in there. So the other supercharger that I have, I took it apart, and I forgot to measure how much supercharger oil came out of it. But seeing that I just pulled out 140 with this little syringe, and I'm gonna guess that 150 is probably a good amount to put back in on a completely dry supercharger. All right, here's the last 40. I also don't know the torque specs for that drain plug, but I mean, pretty sure it doesn't have to be something fucking crazy or high, just nice and tight. But yeah, 100% can be done with the supercharger on the car. It might help to do this if you're doing any coolant removal. That way you can at least get these coolant pipes and hoses out of the way. But easy peasy. Just get this drain plug in, because the Allen key is at an angle. I'm gonna put it in by hand first, that way I don't cross thread it. And you know it's on there when it's kind of flush with the supercharger. So that is as tight as I'm going to get it by hand, and I'm going to leave it alone. So down in the comments, I'll have links to the supercharger oil, to these syringes, and anything else. But hopefully this helps any of you guys out. Like, share, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.